Maoism is a contradictory creed of rebels and rulers, of outsiders and autocrats. It remains fundamental to the functioning of China's government today, but it's also a major neglected story of 20th century and above all Cold War history. On 1st of October 2019, the 70th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China, President Xi Jinping stood at the gate of Tiananmen Square in Beijing, where Mao stood 70 years before, and celebrated Mao as founder of the nation. Since 2013, the Chinese Communist Party under Xi Jinping has embarked on a national official revival of Maoist politics and culture. Despite the huge human cost of Mao's rule over China, China's leaders have brought elements of Maoist strategy back into the mainstream. In this lecture, I'll be explaining what Maoism is and suggesting how to write a global history of it. I'll be discussing how and why Mao's ideas remain central to the legitimacy of China's communist government, but also how uncomfortable and ambiguous Mao's legacy is in China today. I'll also be exploring the ways in which Maoism has shaped the modern world as well as shaped modern China. I'll show how Maoism was a crucial motor of the Cold War, of the Vietnam War, of the Khmer Rouge takeover in Cambodia, of Zanu's victory in southern Rhodesia, of Cultural Revolution in Western Europe and North America.